Assalamu alaikum grade 3, how are you? Here are the answers of the previous lesson, Amin and the eggs. I hope you would have written the correct answers. I am reading it one by one for you. The first question was, why did Amin lose his crops? And its answer is, Amin lost his crops in a drought. Notice here is did in the question. It means the question is in the past, so you have to answer the question in the past as well. It means you have to use the past form of the verb in the answer. Number 2, why did Amin leave the village? Amin left the village to look for work in another village. Number 3, how did Amin win the case? Answer, Amin was clever, so he won the case. Number 4, 500 silver coins for 12 eggs is a lot of money. Why did merchant ask for so much money? Answer is, the merchant asked for so much money because he was greedy. So these were the questions answered from the previous lesson. Now move to the questions of the next lesson. That is lesson 2, asking permission. You would have done the reading of this lesson. Now it's time to do the question and answers. There are two exercises of the questions and answers that is in your book on page 24, right at the end of the lesson. There are different types of questions, like there are text questions, blanks, multiple choice questions, true and false means all type of questions. But the number of question is less, so don't worry. I'm reading the questions one by one for you. Number 1 is, why did Bala's wife ask him to get a brinjal? Why did Bala's wife ask him to get a brinjal? Now be careful, the question is in the past tense as there is did in the question, so you have to write the answer in the past as well using the past form of the verb. Number 2, the brinjal field belonged to blank. Belonged to whom? You have to write the name of the person. Number 3, Bala stole brinjals from the field dash. Once, twice, many times. There are 3 options, you have to choose the correct option. Number 4, Bhuta carried Bala to the pond and threw him into it. Now this is true or false statement. You have to select the correct one. Number 5, why did Bala get home late that night? And there is the second exercise. The first question of the second exercise is, why did Bala stop stealing things? Why did Bala stop stealing things? And number 2, do you think Buddha was right to punish Bala? What would you have done if you had been in the place of Buddha? So you have to copy the questions in your notebook and you have to write the answers below the questions and do your work neat and clean. I will see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.